Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create Instagram promotional poster using editable shapes. Start with a portrait canvas for maximum IG reach. Drop a soft gradient background for a modern look and place a large rectangle as your base promotional frame. Use diagonal custom shapes to add motion and energy. Then add a circle behind the product to highlight it beautifully. Now use shape subtraction to curve stylish cutouts in layout and add your text inside shape-based text boxes for clean alignment. Use small triangles and lines for trendy visual contents. Insert product images using shape clipping mask. Make your discount badge using star and polygon shapes. Keep your typography bold and centered.